Insta360 Flow, the world's most advanced AI tracking stabilizer. Snap on your phone. Unfold in just one step and start filming in seconds. With next-level stabilization for capturing steady shots on the go. A built-in selfie stick for unlocking new, creative angles. And AI tracking to perfectly frame your shot. Just raise your hand to start tracking. No matter what's in the way, Flow stays locked on the subject. With slow motion tracking, always get that perfect shot. Or use zoom tracking to let Flow's smart AI anticipate the next move. Even stay in frame during calls or streams.
Say hi, Grandma.
Set up your shot and create Hollywood effects, time lapses, stunning 360 photos, easy cinematic hyperlapses, dolly zooms, dynamic angles, and more creative modes. It's all at your fingertips. Ready to post and share anywhere. Let AI track your game, save your best shots, and create your next reel. Keep shooting with all-day power. Or simply fold it up and charge your phone. Hook up the spotlight and a mic to level up your content. Grab your phone and get out there with Insta360 Flow.
Need an intelligent smartphone stabilizer that's as creative as you are?
Sure.
Meet Osmo Mobile 6. It's powerful, easy to use, and makes your video super smooth with 3-axis stabilization for results that speak for themselves.
Is it heavy?
Not at all. It's ultralight and foldable, making it easy to take anywhere, like here or here. And with its magnetic design, you can snap your phone on or off in an instant.
What should I do with it?
Get creative with a new zoom and manual focus control wheel and some excellent intelligent features. You can use the built-in extension rod to capture more dynamic angles. Active Track 5.0 for effortless subject tracking. Like that. Or try gesture control if you're shooting alone. It even has a newly added status panel and 4 preset filming modes that give you great shots anywhere you go.
What if I need a little help?
No problem. There are 2 intuitive apps for shooting and editing. Get some great ideas in the Mimo app's Shot Guide section. Or you could one-tap edit with the Light Cut app. You can even share your masterpiece in seconds.
Are there any cool accessories?
Absolutely. It's compatible with DJI mic if you need pro-level audio. And it works with a versatile fill light that makes you look great in selfies and vlogs.
Okay, last question. Can I film my dog with it?
Of course you can.
Perfect.
PowerVision S1 is everything you need when you're at home, outdoors, in the gym, or making videos. It's easy to unfold and equip with the power of magnets for keeping your phone firmly attached during use. It's the perfect companion for smartphones. The 3-axis gimbal delivers stabilized videos and smooth camera movements. So even when you're traveling, vlogging, or working out, you get clearer and steadier images, all created at your fingertips. The built-in stand frees up your hands while you make the magic happen. The standalone phone case protects and provides a great viewing angle. Working from home and video conferencing have never been easier. Live streaming on social media while AI tracking keeps you in the center will make you shine like a star. Use AI gesture control for taking photos, activating tracking, or recording video. But there's more. Facial recognition and power follow are so fast and accurate, they make every angle the perfect angle. Smart editing, sharing with one click, and creating viral content for social media like a pro. Say goodbye to battery anxiety. PowerVision S1 is also a wireless power bank and delivers pass-through charging. Fast charging technology keeps your gadgets and you connected all the time. Easily release the magnetic power to attach the S1 anywhere. PowerVision S1, the perfect companion for smartphones, mini but powerful.